Now I'm going to show you how you easily can order calibrations from Metech Instrument Organizer and send them to one of Element's many calibration laboratories. So when you're at the home page, you can easily go and order instruments by going to the instruments and then instrument list. This is my recommended way of ordering your calibration, because as you can see here, we're at the time to calibrate filter, and you get to see just those instruments that are due for calibration in the coming month. And you can easily sort the instruments in the list by clicking on any of the column, and then you get it sorted like this. So let's say that we want to send some of these instruments for calibration. Then you will just easily check those instruments that you want to send, just like this, and then you click Order Marked Instruments. Once you click Order Marked Instrument, you're moving on to the Service module in Order Service. Here, you're also able to add any more instruments that isn't on the list based on the MIO ID or your own ID number for the particular instrument. Here, it's important that you review which instruments you're going to send for calibration and make sure that you have the correct planned activity. So in this example, let's say that we actually need to send these peak power analyzers for accredited calibration. Then I can easily change that by going to the Edit button here in the right. From here, I'm able to change the activity to accredited calibration. It's also here that you will put in specific information about a particular instrument, how it should be calibrated, if there's any other information we need, or what kind of specification. So I'm going to update it to accredited calibration by clicking on Save. Once this is reviewed, I will go in and put in the order number. The order number is a number that we'll put on the invoice for this calibration. This can be your purchasing order number from your procurement department. It can also be your cost center that the instrument should be invoiced against. And if you don't have that, you can put in your own name. Then it's important that you put in the correct submission date. So let's say that we're going to send this instrument to one of Element's lab, and we believe that it will arrive in the 20th of June. Then we'll choose that alternative here. And then we're going to click here, Send to Metech. That means that you yourself will package the instrument and send them off to our calibration site. And in this example, we will send the instrument to Karup in Denmark. The last field that you can populate is the remarks for the entire order. Please note that the information you put on here will be populated for each instrument you send in. So this is only information about the whole order. Now that we're happy, we're going to click here on Order Service, and that will automatically create an order form that you can print and put together with the package. So here we can see that we made an order, that it was me that made the order, and we can click here on the PDF button, open it up, and there you will be able to print and put it in the package together with instrument. So this is how you easily can order calibrations for instruments that are going to be sent to one of Element's calibration laboratories.